Hello, this is Purva. Here is my hair care routine. I have taken the mixture of Shikekai, Amla and Rita. Usually we have to soak this mixture at night, but I forget, so I soaked it for like 3 to 4 hours. That's enough as well. So I have applied parachute oil before applying this mixture. You can apply this before every hair wash or weekly once. This mixture will make your hair smoother, shinier, glossier. It kills lice, it removes dandruff, it will stop your hair fall and much more. But yeah, make sure that you don't get it in your eye or else it will cause your eye to itch badly. So now I have applied all the mixture. We have to keep this for 45 minutes, then we will wash the hair off. So I have washed my hair now. As you can see, my hair are wet. Let's blow dry them. I have this. Okay, so I have opened this. Okay, so this one is blow dryer. It's so much like Dyson. You know what? This would not cause breakage to your hair and it will dry your hair quickly. Okay, so this one is blow brush. When your hair are 10 to 20% wet, you should use this to style your hair. This one is handle. It is so lightweight that you would not be doing the arm workout. It's the closer look of this blow dryer. It has this air vents and Leo is not leaving me alone. He's such a cutie. Okay, so this one is blow brush. You can curl or straighten your hair with this tool. Also, it would not tangle your hair, so relax. So this is closer look of the handle. It has these modes. You can choose the mode whichever you prefer. It has these 5 modes, okay? So one is low, cool, medium, high. The handle has this button. You just have to push it down and you have to clip the head above it. And then you are done. It is so easy to use. It is so lightweight. See, we are done. Okay, here the time comes. I am turning this on. Let's see how it works. I am using the cool mode only as my hair are thin. One more thing I liked is this wire. It is rotating 360 degree, okay? It is so freaking cool. So, I have dried my hair for 90%. The remaining 10% I will be drying my hair with this blow brush, okay? Before that, let's apply serum. Okay, so I use the Leave-On serum.
अबे जल्दी बोल, कल सुबह पनवेल निकलना है।
I don't apply much as my hair are thin and they are short as well. Even if my hair are thin, this blow dryer has dried my hairs within 5 minutes. The traditional hair dryer takes 10 to 15 minutes. So this is hot. Let's keep this aside. Okay, so let's remove this. You just have to push this button down. Ta-da! Let's put the blow brush, okay? Again. We are done. Let's start styling. Again. This one is full, by the way. I'm using full right now as my hair are thin. Can you see the difference? I'm loving this, okay? Now, let's take this crown, okay? I have turned this off. If you want proper curl look, so this is not for you. It will just give you that rolled down look. So this multi-styler definitely has that salon finish, and it does make your hair look bouncy. The question is, what is the exact difference between the traditional blow dryer and My Bombay multi-styler? Let's see. So this is traditional blow dryer and this one is from My Bombay. Okay. So I used the both. This one takes 15 minutes to dry my hair. So this one is traditional blow dryer and this one is from My Bombay. Okay. I have used the both. Which one is best? This one takes 10 to 15 minutes to dry my hair. This one literally took 5 minutes to dry my hair. Okay. Please ignore the background noise. I can't help it out. Okay. So if you want to go for more like styling and you want a more volumized look or smoother look, you have to go for this because this one comes with this blow brush. Okay. And if you want something cheaper, please go for this. Do not fall for Drumstone brand, K-Teen brand. It literally burns. It burns by itself. It will burn your hair. Okay. So if you want something safer and cheaper, please go for this. I got it for 17.99 prepaid from My Bombay site only because on Amazon it was for 2000 rupees and if we are getting this from their site only, that too cheaper, please go for this. Okay. I got this from DMart. This one is for 6.99. This one works well. It has this temperature modules. You can adjust it. This one is medium. This one is high. Okay. It also has this heat control button. So for thin hair girlies like me, we need cool modes only, but we'll burn our hair. What do you think?